the meaning of weathering, chemical weathering, and mechanical weathering.
So let's take a closer look at weathering. This image shows you rock. I know it looks like wood or some other material that has been weathered. Weathered is the breakdown of rock. So we're breaking down rocks and materials on the earth.
Weathering decomposes or decays rocks. Soil is a product of weathering. Sand, mud, and other rocks. Fragments are also produced.
Now let's take a look at chemical weathering. In chemical weathering, in this image, you'll see what looks like a seal on a block. This is marble. Marble, as you know from earlier discussion of rocks, is basically made out of calcite. And calcite will react to acid or acid rain. This is not a seal. It was once actually a lamb on a tombstone. The material that this was made of was chemically changed. It will not be marble again. And so as a result, this material very gradually weathered away, and this is what
the rock minerals and results to the formation of new chemical compound. The chemical reaction causes a change in volume and the composition of rocks into small particles.
Carbonation. A carbon dioxide when dissolved in water, it forms a carbonic acid. The carbonic acid reacts chemically with rocks, causes their decomposition.
The last type is oxidation, which is simply the reaction of an element like iron with oxygen forming iron oxide, which can weaken and crumble rocks. The presence of iron makes rock get rusty or reddish.
Solution. Some of the rock minerals forms a solution when they got dissolved into water. Chemical reaction takes place in the solution, and the formation of soil takes place too.
Mechanical weathering. Joints are fractures that more or less parallel exposed rock surfaces, especially rocks now at the surface that formed under great pressure at depth.
Temperature changes. Different minerals of a rock have different coefficients of thermal expansion. Unequal expansion and contraction of these minerals occur due to temperature changes.
we're looking here at an image of a rock, and you can see that only on the very surface of the rock you have what looks like peeling, and that is just the very surface is coming off the rock. And this is because rocks heat up during the day and they expand, and when they freeze at night they contract, and this freezing and contraction, expansion, and so forth actually will stress the rock, and the surface will begin to flake off. Now, another example of temperature changes is frost wedging. And frost wedging occurs, as you can see here, as actual wedges of the rock has been broken apart. If there are very small surface cracks on the rock, water would seep in. Water, when it freezes, will expand, and as it expands, it actually will wedge the rock apart. So, as it says, it seeps into small cracks, and as it expands, it would break the rock itself. Now let's take a look at living things and how they react to the environment.
rock will break up in pieces and become smaller now if they remain simply breaking down. Weathering when water freezes and thaws in the springtime, it splits rocks in two. And it's ice in the cold December, but water when it becomes warm. And rocks broken where it's standing, and seeps and fissures and the holes that freezes on. Now start with the chunk of lava and rock. It's weathering when it's breaking down. Mechanical and chemical, bionic rocks are smaller now. Movement of rocks, taking some time. Erosion rocks moving aside. And now that all the force is done, I wanna win, they travel now. It can be chemical reactions, breaking down bonds. Makes them fall apart. Oxidation, carbonation, hydrolysis rocks are soft, helping to break them all apart. But some of the force start with the chunk of lava and rock. It's weathering when it's breaking down. Mechanical and chemical, bionic rocks are smaller now. Movement of rocks, taking some time. Rocks moving aside. And now that all the force is done, I wanna win, they travel now. The rules go down. The rocks are cracking and breaking. They wedge it wide in space they make. And it's ice in the cold December, but water when it becomes warm. And rocks broken there it's standing, and seeps and fissures and the holes that freezes on. Now start with the chunk of lava and rock. It's weathering when it's breaking down. Mechanical and chemical, bionic rocks are smaller now. Movement of rocks, taking some time. Erosion rocks moving aside. And now that all the force is done, I wanna win, they travel now. Start with a chunk of large bedrock. It's weathering when it's breaking down. Mechanical and chemical, bionic rocks are smaller now.